Changing the email link to your Kraken account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and log in using your current email and password. Ensure you have access to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your profile or account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for the email preferences or security settings option. Click on it to access the email management section. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues with verification. Step 5. Confirm the change. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, your email address linked to your Kraken account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken support for assistance.